Hey legends, imagine living in a freezing cold house during winter, where the only way to stay warm was to constantly burn wood in a dirty, smoky fireplace. Sounds tough, right? That was real life for everyone, until a brilliant woman named Alice H. Parker decided we needed a better, warmer way to live. In 1919, she had a massive idea that changed the world. She wasn't just thinking about one room, she was thinking about the whole house. Alice invented a revolutionary central heating furnace. It used natural gas to pump warm air safely through pipes into every single room of a house at the same time. Her master blueprint completely changed how architects designed buildings. She made it possible for us to stay cozy and warm without any of the mess. Because of Alice, families all over the world can stay warm and safe during the coldest winters. Talk about a true superhero of science. If you're feeling cozy and bright, smash that like button and subscribe for more amazing discoveries. Stay warm and stay brilliant. See you next time.